Being a new creator, I've made some very big mistakes right off the get-go. And I'm here to tell you how to not make those. The information was out there from other creators, but I'm here to tell you I have made the videos. Even doing a comparison on video quality, like my phone to the camera, and then upload the whole thing in 720p so nobody could tell the difference on anything. And something I just learned recently was if I went to watch it on a 65-inch big screen TV. Oh man, it's horrible. And so some of the resolutions that you can upload are like 1440 to 1080 or 1920 to 1080, which is a lot better. But if you want to go for the whole enchilada, upload in 3840 to 2160, that resolution when you upload your video. Yeah, it might take a little bit more room on your computer. You're here to put out a good video. This thing is going to last forever, especially if people are going to be watching your stuff on a big screen TV. Now, I have noticed through my analytics and going to my engagement or audience and scrolling down and seeing how many people are watching on a laptop or a cell phone or a big screen TV, or a TV for that matter. And it does make a big difference. I've had people let me know, hey, you know, if you make that video, it's just going to show your character, and important people and your loved ones may want to watch this in a future date. Your video, I saw it, and what's going on? And I didn't know. It was just a learning curve. So I'm just here to tell you, and if you've made similar mistakes, audio, video, leave a comment down below. Oh, by the way, my name is Greg. Glad to meet you. If you're a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. I hope this information has helped you out. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I have a whole bunch of, as I've said, poorly made videos, and you can see all the errors that I've made. Or not all the errors, but a good bit of them. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.